Good evening, fellow yacht rockers. My name is Sean Campbell, and I'm the president of the Winter Park High School Foundation. On behalf of the foundation, I want to welcome all of you to Restore the Roar 2022. As you're aware, we had to go virtual in 2021 due to COVID, so we're obviously delighted to be back on Showalter Field enjoying a night of fun with all of you while raising money for our favorite high school. This is our 7th annual event, and we're proud to have been voted Best Community Event in 2020 by the Winter Park Chamber of Commerce. Our success is a testament to the hard work of our board volunteers and the unbelievably generous and dedicated families and community members that go out of their way to support our mission year after year. Our mission is to provide additional funding support for the educational, athletic, and extracurricular needs of the students at Winter Park High School. In the last 7 years, we've raised more than $2 million. These funds are used in a wide variety of ways. Examples include capital improvements to campus facilities like Showalter Field, new furniture in the media center, shade structures at the cafeteria and pool, baseball locker room upgrades, new sound system and lighting in the main gymnasium, weight room upgrade, a complete renovation of the tennis complex, as well as new band and orchestra instruments, main campus landscaping, student scholarships and grants, educational support programs, supplies for teachers, and funding for student activities and clubs. The list is long and varied. This year we're raising funds for digital and online academic tutoring programs, softball complex batting cages, the 9th grade center TV production equipment, as well as 9th grade center media center furniture and several other projects. We work very closely with our principal, Matt Arnold, Paul Wilhite at the 9th grade center, Andy Childs, our athletic director, as well as many other administrators and teachers to identify areas of need to help deliver the best possible experience to the students at Winter Park High School. The fact is, we simply can't do any of this without your help. Thanks for attending tonight through ticket purchases and sponsorships, and we hope you will dig deep on the many fantastic auction items that have been generously donated by our friends and community for the event tonight. After tonight, you can also continue your support by visiting the Cat Shack online at our foundation website or on Facebook, Instagram, and the PTSA website, where you can find a wide variety of Wildcat gear to represent at Winter Park High School events and around town showing off your Wildcat pride. 100% of the profits of the Cat Shack go back to the foundation to continue our mission. I also want to send a special shout out to our board member, Bryn Knight, who runs the Cat Shack for us and works extremely hard to bring you all the great Wildcat swag. We really appreciate her ongoing dedication. Our board members work hard because we love Winter Park High School and we want it to be the best it can be. I want to thank each and every one of them for all of their contributions, big and small, past and present. They mean so much to so many. Our current board members are wearing some sweet Restore the Roar t-shirts tonight, thanks to the Cat Shack, by the way, that say crew on the back. I hope you'll thank them for their efforts, especially our 2022 Restore the Roar committee members that put this event on, which is no small task. Andrea Massey-Farrell, Deneen Cross, Anne Marie Armstrong, Meg Fitzgerald, and Valerie Francis. We also want to thank the City of Winter Park for their partnership and specifically the constant support we get from Ronnie Moore, Jason Seeley, and Johnny Miller. Please follow us on Facebook and visit our website for more information about the organization and our initiatives. We hope that you'll take an interest and get involved. Thanks again for attending Restore the Roar, and we hope you have a fantastic time.